Hello everybody, welcome again to the robot steel structure course. Now in this lecture we want to begin to design the rails side. Okay, so first of all let's edit the name here, rail, because we changed it with a mistake. Okay, we want so we select them, we go to show them. We want to design this C member. Okay, so first of all we go to steel design, steel or aluminum design. Okay, we want to create group design. Okay, so we want to design, for example, rail side, so we must create a group of design for rail side. So we press new. This number is the first group of design for the it is the rail side. Now the section, this rail for first of all we must check the database ASE, the section of rail side. See, we want to tell the robot that the robot must choose from this section the section of our rail side. So these are the section, selected section here are all this above section, and we press OK. Now we go we choose the steel and the material bar section. If we have section like this, so we choose the section name rails side and we press save. Okay, we press OK. Now for the here we go to here, we have also we put here. Okay, for the group verification, call the group design, and we want to design under ultimate member verification. Here we want to let's groups rail side, okay, we go to group and Ctrl C here, we put here. Okay, now we press calculation, result. Now the etaps, the robot, for example, design, design each member. We can show here, for example, the beam with number 209. The best section for it is this section. Okay, we can show here we can show that this section is approximate for all the member. For this we have this section. So, and the ultimate combination, that give the best section is combination 3. Okay, you can show also here the analysis diagram. Also here we can show here full note. Okay, For example, for this member beam 210, we can show the loads combination 3 that here the member verification, the combination 3, the section that robot choose for this beam. Okay, we can show here we have stable, so okay, for example calculation note full. Okay, for example for these beams we can show calculation note full. Okay, we can go here stable, okay, verified. So this section is enough for these beams. Okay, if we go here, for example, we can show this for this beams here section, the section is enough. For example, for the beams above, we must calculation node. Okay, not verified here for PR. Okay, here in the model I have a problem. So when you do the model, try to do this, because the robot if the section is not verified, the robot choose for you the best section. So we can know here how we can create a group of design for the members, type of member. We create a new, press new, we choose the section. For example, here we have C or L angle. We choose all the section, we choose the material, we put the code verification that we have defined here, we put it here, and we press calculation. Then the robot show us where are the section verified or not verified. The not verified, we must increase the section. The verified, we can less the section, and the other version, or the robot choose the best section automatically. Thank you for listening. We will continue in the next lecture.